LeadDesk in a minute. Let's use AI Insights to ask some questions about our calls. On the Projects page, I can select the project I want to ask questions about and click the Add Questions button. For each question, I can give a title and type my question. Importantly, I need to select an answer type. The default is free-form text. I can select the answer type yes, no. I can ask it to give me a numeric rating, or I can ask it to choose from a set of answers that I will provide. I can add further questions by clicking Add Another Question. When I'm done, click the Save button. As well as asking questions about projects generally, I can ask a question about a call specifically. If I go to the Calls page and choose one of my calls, I note here that the agent did not make a sale. Perhaps I want to know why not. I go to LeadGPT and type my question. Click Add Question. Remember, when asking questions, you can only ask about things which will appear in the text of the transcript. LeadDesk in a minute.